Hi there, hello and welcome to GVisionMedia. Sony has pioneered in manufacturing plenty of electronic goods. In this video we are going to look at one of its product, which is nothing but an FM cum AM portable radio. It is one of the best portable radios. Since the invention of radios, it has gone through several innovations. You might have listened to a lot of music in such a radio. This is one of the radios from the 1960s. Wow, look at that music. It's enjoyable. Movie songs, news and a lot of other programs, a lot of people would have enjoyed using such a radios. Definitely a lot of people would have listened to sports commentaries as well, like this.
99. This one nudged out in the offside.
In the 70s and the 80s, transistors have been one of the greatest medium for listening to a lot of sports commentaries, particularly cricket. And now in this video I am going to look at one of the modern days transistor, which is nothing but the Sony ICF P26 model, which is a very compact transistor radio which comes with an aerial to it as well. We can tune into whatever FM and an AM channel that we want and then listen to good music. Let's get into the unboxing of it and look at the features. I ordered this product through Amazon and it got it delivered on right time. So pretty much it's a tight packing in Amazon as usual. So let's quickly unbox this carton and then look at our product, which is the Sony FM transistor. This Sony FM cum AM radio is very portable device. So it costs around 2000 plus rupees. It's very cheap for a modern day radio. Let us quickly look at the specification. It is ICF P26 model and it weighs around 86 grams. Here 2 AA battery is required as well, and the overall GSM frequency is 108 MHz. Let us now quickly unbox the main package and see what are the contents inside this package. You've gotten lace as well, wherein you can hang your transistor and it is carryable everywhere. And that's a transistor which is in a scratch proof cover. So let's remove that and then look at that cool transistor. Wow, on look of it, it looks very premium. And you can see the dials over there, and it has got a small manual on how to quickly operate this antenna. And it also comes with some of the paperworks like warranty card, user manual on how to use this. And the warranty card, if you closely look at this, it is only valid in certain countries. It is not a global warranty card which we got. And the warranty is valid only in certain regions. You have to be very careful while buying such products. It's valid only in Australia and New Zealand in this case. The first look of it is very premium, very well compact. Let us quickly secure this radio first. Let's put the hanging lace so that we can carry and handle it better. us now look at how to adjust these antennas. So the antenna is movable in only two directions, which is side to side, and you cannot move it front and back. If you do it front and back, you are going to break it. So it's only sideways movable. And the height of the antenna, or rather the length of the antenna, is pretty much tall. You can adjust up to 3 levels of height. Antenna is very key for a radio. This antenna extends up to a length of feet, so which is very good to receive any signals. This antenna is foldable as well, and it easily go and locks into a small clip provided on the side of the radio. Battery compartment is provided in the back bottom side of the radio. It is easily openable, and it has provision for 2 AA batteries. It is the only power option that is available. There is no separate power cord for direct electric supply, so the only charge is through the batteries. On the left side of the radio, you have the volume knob as well as a headset jack. It's a 0.3 mm jack. And on the other side, you have a tuning knob as well as a switch to toggle between FM and AM. Let us now get into the important part, which is tuning to channels. So let's put the 2 AA batteries and then turn on this radio using the switch that is provided on the right hand side. So once you turn on the radio and put it into the FM mode, you will start seeing the battery indicator glowing, which shows the overall power of the battery. This battery will run for more than 100 hours in total. So you can look at the LED indicator of the battery. Let us first keep the volume low and then start tuning the channels. Once we gain the proper channel or the proper signal for the channel, we will increase the volume and see how is the performance of the speaker of this radio.
சென்னையில போய் என்ன எதுன்னு போய் பாருங்க அப்படின்னு சொந்தமும் இருக்கு. சொந்தம்தான் கேக்கு என்ன பொறுத்தளவுக்கு.
ஓகே, இவங்களை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் உறவினர்கள் தான் ஒரு பிரச்சனை ஓடோடி வருவாங்க.
That is one of an interview in a channel.
பிரதி, நீங்க என்ன நினைக்கிறீங்க?
Let us listen to some of the movie songs as well and switch the channel. When you start tuning it, until you get the exact signal, the tune indicator will start glowing. So that's where you have got the exact signal of the station. Let us listen to some news channel as well.
People to pledge to follow the path by Guru Ravidas and contribute in building a society based on equality and harmony.
Now we will put the volume into high and then see how the performance of the speaker is, how much loud the radio
He was a strong proponent of equality and gender parity, and he spread the message of unity and social harmony through his writings. Mr. Naidu said his emphasis on universal brotherhood has eternal relevance. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will deliver the inaugural address at the Energy and Resources Institute, TERI's World Sustainable Development Summit today via video message. The summit is TERI's annual flagship event, and the theme for this year is
That's the lowest volume.
Ensuring a sustainable and equitable future. It will discuss a wide range of issues including climate change, sustainable production, energy transitions, global
and this is the
commons
peak
and
volume.
resource security. The 3-day summit starting today will be attended by President of Dominican Republic Luis Abinader, President of Guyana Dr. Irfan Ali, Deputy Secretary General of United Nations Amina J. Muhammad, heads of various intergovernmental organizations.
And that's pretty much about the one of the wonderful products from Sony, the FM AM portable radio. So the quality of the product is very good, and the catching of the signal while we tuning is amazing. And also we have also tested the volume. It is of very high quality as well. So I would recommend, if you are really want to buy a good portable transistor or a radio, you can go for it. The link for buying the product is given in the description as well. Thanks for watching the video. You can give it a thumbs up, and you can also give it a like. You can share this video to your friends, families and relatives as well. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. Thank you, and stay tuned for more videos.